Hey, Business Bestie. If you don't know, my name is Tala. I'm the founder and co-owner of Touch by Ty Creative Agency, a digital marketing agency. Go ahead and go to Twitter and look me up as the marketing bully so I can bully you into getting your together. All right, so today's video, I'm going to actually show y'all how to sell and create courses on Shopify for less than $100 a month so I can show you how to get in your passive money bag. If you are excited, keep watching. I'm going to tell you exactly how this works, and then I'm going to show you the platform, how to download it, and how to get it set up and get going. Just to be clear, this is not a clickbait title. All right, so the way that you're going to be able to sell and create courses for less than $100 a month is that, number one, you're going to pay the $30 a month fee to have a Shopify website. The other $50 is going to be for the software to actually build and host your courses on. That is where the less than $100 a month comes from. So if you're excited to learn how to actually sell and create courses using Shopify for less than $100 a month, it'll actually be about $83.70 or so a month, then go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to show you the platform, where the buttons are, how the platform works, and how you can start using it today. Once you log into your Shopify store, go ahead and click on apps, and then I want you to go to customize store, which is the green button. Type in Skill Suite in the search bar, and then scroll down until you see Skill Suite online courses. Once you click on that, you're feel free to, scroll down, look around, check out the reviews. You will notice that they do have 3 plan options ranging from $50 to $300 a month. You just need to start with the $50 a month plan though, but they do have a 5-star rating. Since I've already downloaded, I'm going to go back to my Shopify dashboard and just open the app. If you are not watching or listening to this via YouTube, go down to the description box so that you can see the visuals. Now, when you open this software, it's going to give you 4 options, but I want you to click the blue button that says create a course, and then type in the name of the course that you are going to create, and then press the purple button that says create. Now it's going to load and open where you can create an official course outline. You're going to type in a description for your course, and then you're going to start creating your lessons, which are the different sections that your students have to work through. Create an introduction lesson, and then you're going to go into creating module 1, and then you're going to create a quiz for module 1. After this, go ahead and highlight the one that you want to start editing, and a pencil will pop up at the right end. Now you can go in and edit the actual coursework. You can add in images by clicking the white blue bar, and you can add in GIFs as well. I like to do GIFs in my courses, but that's 100% up to you. Just go ahead and type in what you're looking for, and then go ahead and create each section. After that, you can go ahead and start adding in text and headers as well. And some of the features that you can also include are lists, images, videos, flashcards, ordered list, image hotspots, and ordering text to kind of keep, your courses interactive. This is what the flashcards look like. Again, if you're not watching a visual via YouTube, I highly recommend checking it out. And then after you get done doing that, I also want to show you that you can create hyperlinks with this software as well. Just highlight wherever it is you want the hyperlink in your text to be, and then you can go back and make them thick. You can change the color of your hyperlinks in your settings after you get done with all of this. So this is what section 1 looks like of my test course. And I'm going to go and edit in section 2. And I'm just creating in filler text and images, just random things just to kind of show you what everything looks like. So again, you can click edit, replace image, and then go to stock image library if you want to do images instead of GIFs. Type in what you're looking for. And then I'm just going to choose an image that says social media. Now, I'm just going to scroll down and show you what a couple more of the features look like as far as how to keep your courses interactive while your students are enrolled. I'm going to add in some text. I'm going to add in a couple more flashcards. And then a video. This is also what the list option looks like. And I always like to end my course sections with a so what's next so that they have kind of like an idea. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, go back to the other page and click preview. And this is what it's going to look like for your students. And now you get to see what it looks like when students are actually working through it, how the GIFs look, how the videos look, how the text is laid out, how your flashcards look, how they get to navigate to the next section. This also helps your students keep track of everything to make sure they're moving through your course appropriately. And you can also see from the back end how your students are progressing. Now that I've shown you how to actually set up the course, this is how you create a quiz. Just go back to the course outline, click the pencil and click edit quiz. And now you can just add in the questions and type in the answers as well. And you can also choose like multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, paragraph, and short answer as well. You can make these graded or you can make them ungraded. That's 100% up to you. And then once you get done with that, I just want to show you a few other things. Go to settings. Now you can add in collaborators. You can select the course owner, upload your cover image for the course, any supplemental documents like ebooks, freebies, PDFs. That's where you would attach these as well. And then you get to decide what people get when they complete the course. And this is where you'd also change your accent colors. Once you get done looking at that, go ahead and click on emails. And now you can decide what emails students are going to get from you, like new enrollment and reminder emails to log back in and finish their course. You can add additional custom emails. You can also run reports to see how students are progressing, who's passing, who's failing. When you click assign this course, now you can enroll students from the back end. So if someone pays you and they don't get the course via email for some reason, this is how you do that. You can also create assignment flows to completely automate this process so that once someone checks out on Shopify, they'll go through an email sequence that you would create right here. And you can assign due dates, course completions, past due assignments, and new enrollments. Now you can get ready to sell your course with product integration. So you just click product integration and it's going to walk you through the steps of how to connect to your store. All right. So if you enjoyed that tutorial, let me know if you guys want to see more about how this software works, what it looks like on your Shopify store or anything else. But at the end of it, it's just going to create a product and then you'll have to go in the product and actually type out your product descriptions, your variants and things of that nature. So if you want to learn how to actually work the Shopify platform, comment down below and let me know. However, Shopify does have a ton of resources on their site, in their forums, and via their YouTube channel to actually teach you how to work the platform. As always, I am more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, share this podcast and this YouTube video if you enjoyed it and you want to see more content like this. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe.